Some Buddhas appear in the world, but because beings of that time don't have enough merit, those Buddhas remain in a long meditative state, or choose not to teach. Under such a scenario, beings could not directly receive real benefits. For example, our fundamental teacher, Buddha Shakyamuni, accumulated vast merit and wisdom during 3 countless great kalpas in his causal stage, and in the end he engaged in 6 years of ascetic practice by the Nairanjana River, and finally attained completely perfect enlightenment upon the Vajra Seat. However, after attaining Buddhahood, the Buddha exclaimed, "I have found a Dharma like ambrosia, deep, peaceful, simple, uncompounded, radiant. If I explain it, no one will understand, so I shall stay here silent in the forest." The Buddha attained the ambrosia-like state, with these 5 characteristics that can cure the 84,000 afflictions. However, the state seemed too profound to be understood by any being, so the Buddha abode silently in the forest at Bodh Gaya. Accordingly, for 49 days he did not teach. If we had happened to be born in the period, would the Dharma have been of benefit to us? The answer is no.